laid each brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I made your bed, I fixed your toys. I filled the halls with laughter's noise. But silence now is all I hear. Since you left, year after year. I made your bed, I fixed your toys. I filled the halls with laughter's noise. But silence now is all I hear. Since you left, year after year. Still waiting at the door, hoping you'll come back once more. Each creak, each shadow on the floor, I think it's you, still waiting at the door. I watch the seasons come and go, through window panes that time did show. Your pictures fade but not my hope. With memories I try to cope, still waiting at the door, hoping you'll come back once more. Each creak, each shadow on the floor, I think it's you, still waiting at the door. I watch the seasons come and go, through window panes the time and show. Your pictures fade but not my hope. With memories I try to cope, still waiting at the door. I'm waiting at the door. My hair has turned to shades of gray, but my love for you won't fade away. Till my last breath I'll implore for your return, still waiting at the door.